Train is the service from Lynn by the Sea. The train now standing at Platform 1 is the 1654 Stepford Express service to West Wyvern via
Central.
Morganstown.
This train
Calling
terminates
at
here.
Ellesmere Junction, Morganstown, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, and West Wyvern. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Platform C for the 1654 Metro service to Stepford UFC. Calling at Four Ways, Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Leader, and Stepford UFC.
This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here.
Your attention,
All change,
please.
please. Thank
The
you for travelling.
1700 service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled.